All right, this is example 1 of lesson 4.3. We are adding and subtracting mixed numbers. Today we are adding 3 and 1/4 and 1 2/3. Now, there are a couple of ways we can do this. We're going to focus on one of those ways today. The blue box on the previous slide would have told you that the first step you need to take is to turn your mixed numbers into improper fractions. So I've actually already done that. 3 and 1/4. Remember, to find an improper fraction from a mixed number, we multiply the denominator by the whole number and add the numerator. So 4 times 3 is 12, plus 1 is 13. The denominator stays the same, and we end up with 13/4. Same thing on 1 2/3. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 2 is 5, and we end up with 5/3. So the next step on the list of tasks is to find common denominators if the denominators are different, and they are in this case. So let's find common denominators. We have 3 and 4, and if you've been doing fractions as much as we have in the last couple of days, you should know by now that the common denominator of 3 and 4 is almost always going to be 12. So we need to rewrite our fractions as over 12. So 13/4 equals how many twelfths? Well, to get from 4 to 12, I multiply by 3. So I'll multiply that by 3, and 13 times 3 is 39. It's one of those easy ones where you can go 3 times 3 is 9, 1 times 3 is 3. One of those very straightforward ones. 1/5 equals how many twelfths? 3 times 4 is 12, so I'll do the same thing to the top as I did to the bottom, times 4. 5 times 4 is 20. 20 twelfths. So I've got 39 twelfths plus 20 twelfths. 39 twelfths plus 20 twelfths. And now it's just like a regular adding of fractions. I'm going to add my numerators. My denominator will stay the same. 39 plus 20 is 59. And now I can simplify. Now, 12 and 59 might not have any common factors, but 12 still goes into 59 a certain number of times. Remember that to change from an improper fraction to a mixed number, we divide the top by the bottom. 59, 12, so 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, so almost 5, so 4 times. 4 times 12 is 48. And if I subtract that, I get 11. So our new fraction, mixed number, is 4. That's my whole number. And 11 twelfths. I can, of course, use the butterfly method as well. I can line up 13/4 plus 5/3. And I can butterfly. And because I used 12, which is just 3 times 4, there's our 12, I'm going to get the same fractions here as I did. So 39 and 20 is still going to be what I get there. And then I can add straight across and get 59 twelfths there as well. It works either way. Butterfly method or common denominator method, whichever one works for you.